Well, good morning. We are, we've got a few things to take care of today. I'm doing a little morning walkthrough. Just checking things out here in the garden. In the yard. Checking out the yard. So far, everything looks good. We've got some ant beds in our onions. Look at these ants right here. They're just, I don't know what the deal is. But anyway, we're gonna have to do something with that. Tomatoes are looking good. They're looking good. Our other section of our main garden bed looks pitiful. And that's just because I haven't kept it up very well. And now I've got a ton of weeding to do, but I'm hoping to take care of a lot of that today. My main goal for the day is to spread some mulch. So, I got a whole pickup truck bed full of mulch that we got yesterday. And I'm gonna spread that out this morning, hopefully before it gets hot. Yeah, our stuff needs it just to tidy it up, you know. This is our zucchini bed, and you can see we've got some fairly fresh mulch in there. It's looking nice. Nice. Now, our squash bed right over here, it looks pretty good, but you see we need another layer of mulch in there. It's looking pretty ragged. So, yeah, I want this to look like this. Hello, marigold babies. How are you? Aw. Yeah, they look good. They like to be touched. There's the mulch. This is gonna look fantastic. Fantastic. But we gotta spread it all by hand. Thank goodness we got a cool day to do it. Okay, so all of our tomatoes are finally mulched, which that's good. That was my big goal. Now, these I say garden paths, I say that loosely. I have really let them get out of hand. I'm not gonna try to do a whole lot with them as far as weeding them, but I am gonna put some mulch down through the paths, and I'm hoping that that'll smother out a lot of the weeds. We can come back and we can knock down the small stuff later. I want to kind of make an impact on it right now. So that's my goal now, is to get these garden paths mulched. Okay, it's serious now. I've broken a sweat. It's already looking better. Much better already. So I know some folks are already thinking, hey, big dummy, why are you putting your mulch in your paths? Why don't you put it around your plants? Well, the short answer is because that's what I want to do. The longer answer is, right now, it's part of my plan because it's my fault because I let my garden get away from me so much. I'm hoping the mulch will help smother some of my path weeds out and make my garden look a little tidier, which I'm very OCD about. So this is making me crazy. I want it to look tidy. So I couldn't stand it. I've been, and I haven't been filming at all, but you can see here, I'd be a terrible weatherman, wouldn't I? How do I do that? There we go. Oh, goodness. This right here. No. This right here. You can see where I've been scraping it. I can't stand it. I was gonna just put the mulch over the top of the grass and weeds and let it try to smother it out, but I can't stand it, so I'm just scraping it out with the shovel, and it's not getting them all out, but it's getting the bulk of it out, and it makes me feel better. So, oh my gosh, it's a lot of extra work, but again, that's what I get for being lazy, right? Just knock it out. Alrighty. Woo! Can you tell I'm hot? It's getting hot out here. Alrighty, I'm about as hot as I want to be in May. But we got all the mulch down, and we had enough. And I even had enough to finish our squash bed. Yeah! So, zucchini, squash, the big kahuna out here, and it's all mulched. All mulched. I'm excited. I'm hot. My dadgum hip hurts, but I like it. I like it a lot. All right, there she is. Hey, good looking. What's up? Woo, looking fine, mighty fine. Well, I do want to get some more because I want to come around here on this edge. The problem is the rain comes down here and it'll probably wash a lot of it away, so I have to do something with that. But I do want to get over on that edge as well. And then eventually I would probably want to get in between our plants, but I'm not really too worried about that. Dadgum, that looks good. Woo! Man, that was worth it. That was worth it. Whew. I had to come get in the shade. It's pretty sunny out there. Getting a little warm. We got a nice breeze here in Georgia, though, today on May, what is this, the 19th? But it's still out in the sun. It's beginning to get hot. So it's beginning to get hot. I think I jacked up my back out there. And, you know, it's funny because I was up in the truck doing stuff and then jumping down, and I was worried about hurting my back jumping down out of the truck or something, or being like bent over, you know, doing all that shoveling all the time. Anyway, that's not what hurt my back. I think I jacked it up when I fell down out there, when I finished and I fell down out there trying to be silly. Just goes to show. I ain't as good as I once was, but I'm as good once as I ever was. But anyway, that was a good morning. Playtime's over though. Now it's time to get to work with our woodworking orders. We'll get that stuff done, and then this evening we got to cut grass. So my daddy always said, grass cutting time is what you do after the work day is done. It's not work. All right. Hey, thanks a lot for hanging out with me for a few minutes. I'm excited about this mulch. And anyway, hope it was fun watching me sweat a little bit. Hope you guys have a good day. I'll give you some updates as we go through the spring and the summer with our garden. Take care. Have a good day. See you next time.